How to create looping background animations in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and import the clip or image you want to use as your background animation. Next, drag the clip or image onto the timeline. If your clip isn't already a seamless loop, use the trimming and cutting tools to find a section that can loop smoothly. To create the loop, duplicate the clip by right-clicking it on the timeline and selecting Copy. Then move the playhead to the end of the clip and right-click the timeline to select Paste. Repeat this process to extend the clip as long as you need. To make the loop smoother, apply a fade transition between the duplicated clips. Simply drag the end of the first clip over the beginning of the next clip slightly to create an overlap, and Kdenlive will automatically add a transition. You can adjust the transition duration by dragging its edges. Preview your timeline and adjust the transition timing until the animation loops seamlessly. Now you know how to create looping background animations in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.